Hello friends, my name is Harsha Rathod.
My name is Jagrati Tekchandani.
It's myself Dushyant Singh Chauhan.
Hello, I'm Anushka Joshi.
Hi, I'm Pranjal.
And I am currently pursuing my MBBS from RVRS Government Medical College, Bhilwara.
I am currently pursuing my MBBS from AIIMS Rishikesh.
Currently pursuing my MBBS from National Modern Medical Education and Research Institute, Silvassa.
Second year MBBS student in AIIMS Jodhpur.
I have joined Masters Academy in class 12th. I was a regular student there. Masters was the true blend of everything I as a student was in need of. The faculty over there is truly hardworking and have a great command over their subjects.
The fruits I'm reaping today are the result of the seeds sown by my teacher at the very beginning. For the beginning, I started at Masters when I was in 11th class and I was as impressionable as any other 16-year-old would have been. But the constant support, hard work, and dedication of my teachers molded me to who I am today.
My steps towards this ambition took a lot of efforts of mine, my parents, and of course, the teachers at Masters Academy.
I started my NEET preparation when I joined Masters Academy in class 12. I was from Rajasthan board, so my concepts were weak and I have never done objective questions before. But by the efforts and hard work of the faculty team of Masters, I was able to cope up with it and score very well in 12th board exams.
At Masters, you are not only showered with knowledge but also morals and ethics, which are the driving force for a healthy professional life.
The classes were more of an interactive session than regular one-way classes. And then comes the test series. The frequency of tests at Masters Academy is unmatchable. There are monthly test series, then there are weekly test series and even daily test series, covering all the paper patterns, whether it is boards, NEET, AIIMS, JEE Mains, Advanced, KVPY or other Olympiads.
I did my drop year from Masters. Before that, I had taken no coaching at all. The thing that I like most about them is that they constantly prepare you and support you for the exams till the very end.
And also prepare a base for my NEET preparation. All the faculties and masters are truly masters of their subjects and very supportive, hardworking and caring for each and every student. So by my experience of 12th class, I have decided to join Masters Target course in my drop year. This provides me regular tests every week throughout the year.
Yes, I joined Masters Academy for my NEET preparation. There were two foremost reasons of joining Masters Academy. One was that at that point of time I was having homesickness, so leaving home was not in my option anymore. So being in Ajmer, Masters Academy took it all, but I didn't even felt regret about it till yet, because Masters Academy was not less than any other institute in any other city, in any sort of thing.
This provided me a healthy and competitive environment where I could judge my knowledge and can plan the further steps. The faculty is always very supportive and available to solve the doubts, whether related to the topic or how to improve the performance. There were motivation sessions and feedbacks all through the year.
The second reason was the result. I analyzed all the results of past 5 years, in whether it be of NEET, KVPY, AIIMS, of course, etc., of any other examination also. The maximum numbers of selection and of course the toppers are always from Masters Academy in Ajmer. So I decided to go to Masters because of these two reasons.
Whenever I feel low, there was motivation sessions given by our director sir, which provide me a drive so that I could perform well again.
Masters prefers practical knowledge rather than sticking to the bookish theory, and that knowledge is put into good use with the help of constant evaluation by test series, notes, and the bunch of questions provided by the institute.
Now comes the preparation. All throughout my preparation, there was a continuous chain of tests which used to held on 3 bases. There were daily basis, weekly basis and monthly basis, which were divided on the basis of course completion. The faculty over there was more than enough for a student to understand and be able to apply each and every concept at the particular point where it is needed or not. Then comes the environment. Yes, of course, Masters Academy provides all the positive and of course competitive environment that makes the student be able to see his or her growth in whatever subject he or she wants to, and can analyze his or her weaknesses and can overcome it. Then comes the reason why they took so much of test. They were not meant only for the practice. I realized it on the day when the main NEET examination was there. Little bit of consciousness and of course the butterflies in the stomach took place. It happens with everyone. But while the examination was going on, I didn't feel that it is something happening at the national level. It was all normal as I used to give the test at Masters Academy. It was just that normal. So I was able to concentrate more and analyze my answers, and accuracy was also there.
Most important for me were the last 2 months of my NEET preparation, when there were revision and full course tests in Masters Academy every day, which provide me enough practice for NEET type question papers and ample of confidence, which was essential for me at the day of my NEET exam to give my best shot.
The additional perks of being at Masters are library, a wholesome environment for self-study, and practical labs.
My selection was a blend of my efforts and all the efforts put into me by the master's team, not only until my exam date but till my counseling was done. So here I take hold, and all the best for all NEET future aspirants.
In my eyes, the best part of being at Masters is that even the director focuses on each student equally and pulls the one lagging behind so that each one of us can walk together towards success.
So at the end, I will conclude my words by saying that every dream has a cost of hard work, so you have to pay for it. So just do hard work, be calm, and all the best to all the future aspirants of any competitive exams.
I thoroughly enjoyed my preparation time at the institution. And then comes the exam time. All the efforts of yours and your teachers are reflected in the results. I scored a 96% in PCB in class 12 boards exams. I secured AIR1 in KVP by SB stream and scored 656 marks in NEET UG entrance exam. All the credits of my success goes to my parents and Masters Academy for their hard work and consistent support. I am really very thankful to them. Guys, work hard and stay calm. This is all what's needed. At last, I wish best of luck to all of you for your entrance exams.